the stage.
Let me start by making an honest confession. I became director of All India Radio Kolkata twice between 1968 and 1970. Before that, if someone had asked me what are the various musical forms typical of Bengal, I would have said without hesitation, Rabindra Sangeet, Kirtan, Bhatyali and Baul. Rabindra Sangeet I had picked up like Ekalavya through intent listening to Pankaj Malik's music lessons, Sangeet Shiksha Rasar, which lasted over 40 years. The first song that I learned was Prabhu Adhar Para. In a meeting with Pankaj Babu, I mentioned this, that I learned Rabindra Sangeet through radio, through his lessons. And he was pleasantly surprised that a non-Bengali could pick up Tagore songs taught by him over radio. I used to listen to Calcutta via Dhaka, sitting in Rangoon, Burma. I was attracted to Bengali Kirtan style through some of Raichand Boral's songs, which had a happy blend of Adhunik and Kirtan. When I mentioned this to Rai Babu, he asked me to listen to Manabendra Mukherjee rendering authentic kirtans in the film Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Bhatyali was made popular by Sachin Dev Burman in the song Maji Re. I think it was Bandini. It was my good fortune that I had, as my esteemed colleagues in All India Radio, eminent musicians like Gyan Prakash Ghosh. It was Gyan Babu who initiated me into the vast variety of Bengali musical forms like Rag Pradhan, Nazrul Giti, Shama Sangeet. He mentioned to me that I should listen to Manabendra for authentic Rag Pradhan, Shama Sangeet and patriotic songs of Qazi Nazrul Islam. It was my good fortune that my colleague Bhiman Ghosh brought Manabendra to my office room in All India Radio, and Manabendra was more than surprised when I knew all about his multifaceted talent and there was no need for formal introduction. He said he had heard my composition Janina Kothai Dure, sung by Sandhya Mukherjee, and requested me to compose a song in the Carnatic Kirtanam style with Pallavi, Anupallavi and Charanam for him to sing in Ima Shergan. And the result was Nibegalo Deep Kano, Mege Dake Chan Kano. The lyric, I think, was by Pulak Bandhavadhyay. I used minimum instruments to highlight Manabendra's silken voice quality. Ashish Khan on sarod, Alok De flute, Alia Madhusen Shanai and Radhakant Nandi tabla. I heard from my friends in Dhaka when I visited Bangladesh that this song by Manabendra was popular in Bangladesh also. I must not forget to add that I was particularly impressed with Manabendra's wide range of interest when he sang snatches of Bhag Bazar Gaan, popular in the last century. I sincerely hope I'll be excused for dropping some names like R.C. Boral, Pankaj Malik, etc. Please don't misunderstand me. I brought in these names because I wanted you to know that I discussed Manabendra Mukherjee with the top people in Bengal, and they all said he's one of the finest products of Bengal. Thanks. I need hardly add, he was a versatile man. I feel very sad that he didn't live long enough. He died young, and here I am, 93. I wish he had lived longer. He would have embellished even more. What a fantastic man. I am sorry to make a speech, and this young man is going to entertain you, and I understand he's going to sing one of my compositions. My heart is beating fast. Thank you very much.